Hey there creators, are you tired of spending hours creating animations? Or even worse, breaking the bank for expensive tools? Well, today I'm introducing you to Mango Animate, a free AI-powered animation video generator that's here to change the game. Let's dive into how you can create stunning animations with Mango Animate in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Visit Mango Animate and sign up. Head over to mangoanimate.com and create a free account. Their platform is beginner-friendly, so no need to worry if you're new to animation. Once signed in, download the Mango Animate software to get started. Step 2. Choose your animation type. Mango Animate offers different animation styles, from whiteboard animations to character animations. Decide on the type of animation you want to create and select the corresponding option from the dashboard. Step 3. Pick a template or start from scratch. For a quick start, choose from their library of pre-designed templates. These are fully customizable and help save time. If you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch and design your animation completely your way. Step 4. Import your assets. Add your images, videos or text by uploading them to the workspace. Mango Animate also has a rich library of characters, props and effects you can use to make your animation pop. Step 5. Add animation effects. Here's where the magic happens. Use Mango Animate's intuitive drag and drop editor to apply motion effects to your elements. Want your text to bounce or characters to wave? Simply click and the AI handles the rest. Step 6. Sync voiceover and music. Narration and music are key to engaging animations. Record your voiceover directly in Mango Animate or upload an audio file. The tool lets you sync audio with visuals seamlessly. Step 7. Export your animation. Once satisfied, click on the export button. You can choose various resolutions including HD to ensure your animation looks professional on any platform. That's it! In just a few steps, you've created a stunning AI-powered animation video with Mango Animate for free. This tool is perfect for marketers, educators, or anyone who wants to add some creative flair to their projects. Try it out today and transform your ideas into captivating animations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching.